Welcome to today's video on SQL WHERE clause explained with examples. You are watching Software Testing with Ri. In this video, I'll show you what the WHERE clause is, why it's useful, and give you some simple examples to help you understand it clearly. Let's get started. The WHERE clause is in SQL helps us filter rows in a table. It selects only the rows that meet a certain condition. You can use where with commands like select, update, and delete. In simple terms, it helps you tell the database, give me only the rows where this condition is true. So why we use the where clause? Because it lets us work with just the data we need. Instead of pulling all the rows, we can pull only the important ones. It helps us save time, improve performance, and keep our queries focused. It is also safer when updating or deleting data. Here is the basic syntax of the where clause. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition. This means pull data from the table but only if the condition is true. You can replace select but with update or delete, and where works the same way. Here is our first example, filtering employees by department. In this table, we have employees from different departments. Using where department equals HR, we only get the employees who work in HR. The database gives us just those rows. In this example, we are working with products table. We want to see only products that cost more than 100. We use where price greater than 100. Database gives us only the products that match this condition. Here's another example. In this order table, we want to find orders placed by customer ID 5. So we write where customer ID equals 5. Now the database returns only those rows where customer ID is 5. In this student table, we want to find students who passed. Suppose passing marks are 50 or above. We use where marks greater than or equal to 50. The result will show you only the students who passed. Where is also used with update. In this employees table, we want to give a salary raise, but only for HR employees. So we write update employees set salary equal to salary plus 500, where department equals HR. Only the HR employees get the salary increase. Finally, where can be used with delete. In this orders table, we want to delete old orders, any order before 2024. We use delete from orders where order underscore date is before 2024-0101. Only those old orders will be deleted, not the whole table. This is why where is so important. In this video, we learned that the SQL where clause helps us filter rows in a table. We saw how where works with select, update, and delete commands. It helps us control exactly which rows we want to see, update, or delete. And remember, always use where carefully, especially when updating or deleting rows, so you don't accidentally change the entire table. It's simple but very powerful tool in SQL. I hope this video helped you to understand it better. Thank you so much for watching this video on the SQL WHERE clause. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Software Testing with Ri. I'll be bringing more easy to understand videos on SQL and software testing topics very soon. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.